Question 7. If two figures can be made to look the same by rotations or reflections, they are not considered unique. How many unique two-dimensional figures can be formed by fitting 4 congruent squares together so that adjacent squares share an entire edge? Squares may not overlap. What a lot of words to describe what we need. They're necessary because you need to know your boundaries here. But in reality, what we are doing is we are taking 4 squares. Now, these are actually cubes, but you will be able to see them pretty much as squares with a little sort of knobble on them. Let's put a different color there. We're looking at 4 squares. Okay, 4 squares, and we have to put them so that they are fully on each of the edges. And what it's saying is this and this are the same shape. What it's saying is this is the same shape as this, because you can mirror that image and that image to be the same one. And the same as this image is the same as this image just here, or this image just here, or we could turn all that round to here. They are the same. So what we're looking at is how many ways can we arrange 4 squares together to make them unique. So the easiest one to draw, I managed to find 4 of them really simply. Check the answer and there was 5, and then I had to really work how to find the 5th one. So what I suggest you do is just pause the video. If you haven't managed to get any of them yet, pause the video, see how many you can get, and see if you can find 5 faster than I did. Okay, so that's number 1. Well done if you gave this a go before looking at the answers. That's the one that I did earlier. As I say, I managed to find this one quite quickly because all I did was take this and I moved this to here so I could see this one just here. They have stopped looking like squares, haven't they? You get the idea. There is this one here, which I hope you saw quite quickly. And then the one that took me longer, and I literally got out my cubes to be able to play with them. They are cubes. I got these out to have a go, and then I managed to find this one that looks like this. So I've got a line there, and so I've got my square going on here. And what I can then do is just offset that square to get this shape here. So it was 2 at the top, and then bringing it down 2 down here as well. So this is my 5. They call it figures, don't they? This means there are 5. I certainly couldn't find any more, and that's what the official answer said, so I'm happy to stick with 5.